video is to address week number 5, task number 7. In task number 7, we are again looking back at line A, and we're just trying to really investigate what types of values for all the coordinates x, y, and z line A will hold. And it can actually generically be written, any point that is on line A is going to have the same exact x value. So we can generically say that line A will hold any point that is in the coordinate form of x, x, x. And if we were to test that out, basically what that means is all coordinates x, y, and z will have the same exact values. So as you can see, I started already doing this. I just kind of was determining what type of point was on the line and trying to check out. So some of my points over here I can show you. I just did where I selected points on the line, and I would come up with just really random points that were decimals and maybe not so pretty. But if we go to our input and we actually just put in our coordinates, for instance, one of my tabular representations was the point -1, -1, -1. So I'm going to just enter that in. So -1, comma, -1, comma, -1. And I'm going to go ahead, and that is the same x value for all x, y, and z. And before I press enter, I'm just going to go back to my three-dimensional plane. And that went in as point G. So again, if I look back at my algebra, point G, and on my screen, it is also still point G. And it ended up on that line for line A in the example from problem task number 6. So again, any point that is included on line A is going to have the generic form of x, 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 and we can prove this again going further in either a tabular representation or just playing around with our model that is using GeoGebra.